guys, welcome back to the channel. Rob here with RK Motorsports, and I have a lot to go through with you guys on exactly why I have not been posting, and you're going to be seeing a lot more content in the upcoming months. So let's get into it. First things first, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that's been reaching out in the meantime while I've been down, not really posting any videos. A lot of people have been checking up on me, making sure everything's okay. Everything here at the shop with the business has been really good. It's just been very busy over the summer. So as you guys might know, motorcycling is a very seasonal profession, a very seasonal sport. And up here in New York, we have pretty much 6 months of winter and 6 months of riding season. So in the spring to summer, it's very busy here. And with this being my first year in business fully, I've really just been trying to put all my time into growing my business as much as I can. And unfortunately, in that time, I've had to kind of put YouTube and putting videos on the back burner. We are now in October, and that means we are approaching fall, and things are starting to slow down here at the shop. So now is the time where I'm gonna transition into kind of really focus on putting out these YouTube videos for you guys, producing content for the off months as we get closer into winter, into spring. So there's gonna be a lot more coming out in the next few months, and I wanna kind of go through some of that with you guys right now. So some of the videos that you guys are gonna be seeing over the next few weeks, over the next coming months, if you guys were interested in the update of the house next door that I purchased, of our abandoned house that we purchased, I am moving forward with that. Can't really give you any sneak peeks yet, but there will be some content coming in on that house in the very near future. I've got some things planned. Just got to see how everything pans out. So the house video is going to be coming up soon. We also got a electric e-bike delivered from a company that's sponsoring a video, and I have a full assembly, ride, and review video of that e-bike coming up soon. So that's kind of cool. A couple bikes that I bought last year that have kind of been sitting idle, specifically the 2015 Honda CBR 600. If you guys remember the first video I posted of that, of us picking that up from the auction, I'll put a little video clip of that one right here. Now it'll probably be a little while before you guys actually see the full rebuild video on this bike. That one is going to be worked on very soon. I've got all the parts for it. It's just been a matter of me trying to find the time to get around to fixing that one up. But that one is going to be a rebuild video that's going to be coming here very shortly. If you guys recognize this bike right behind me, I'm going to zoom into this one real quick. This is the last video that I posted, was rebuilding this bike. And if you look at the front, it's something happened to this thing. She's a little rashed up, and basically the guy that I sold it to ended up wrecking it. So now I bought it back and I have to rebuild it again. That's going to be another video on its own. Pretty much it's just cosmetic. I got to go through, take the fairings off, replace some other little broken parts, but that's another video that I have in the works. Another couple bikes that I have lined up for rebuild videos are a 2009 Yamaha R6 that was wrecked pretty decently. I have all the parts for that one, just a matter of me going through and rebuilding that. Also have another 2006 GSXR 600. This bike I got partially taken apart, partially assembled. It's got some nice powder coat on it, but this thing has to get totally reassembled and put back together, so that's going to be another video coming soon as well. One other bike that I also recently purchased from auction, I didn't see it in person, and unfortunately there was some pretty major hidden damage when I finally picked it up and got my eyes on it. It's a 2023 Honda, and it has a bent frame. So that's another video that's going to be coming up soon. Not sure how I'm going to attack that one, but the bike I think only has like 320 miles on it. Very low. Unfortunately, the frame is twisted, so I got to figure out how I'm going to go through and fix that bike up as well. Another thing that I recently did was I traveled down to Copart in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I went to pick up a salvaged Harley Davidson. Now this is going to be the first Harley that's going to appear on this channel, so I'm kind of getting into the V-twin world. We'll see how this goes with this salvage Harley. The damage really isn't too bad, but I think you guys are going to like this. Me going down to Copart in Pittsburgh, kind of giving you a little behind the scenes of some of the other wrecked bikes that are there. And I'll give you guys an overview of the damage on the bike that I pick up. So that's another video that's in the works. You guys might also know the YouTube channel Bikes and Beards. I appeared on their channel about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, and they were here at the shop, and recently they sent me a mystery box in the mail. Did not know that it was coming. They sent me a box, and we have basically a whole video of us going over the box that they sent us. Kind of have some fun stuff that we have with that as well. basically opening the mystery box that Bikes and Beards had sent us. And last but not least, the other video that I have in mind that's gonna be upcoming on this channel is me showing you guys the other side of my shop. Now I do have the door over here that leads to the other side. I haven't really shown you guys what's on the other side of that door. That's essentially where I store all of my motorcycles that I've purchased that I'm getting ready for sale. I have about 30 bikes in inventory right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what's on the other side of that door. Not in this video, you're gonna have to wait and see for when that video comes out, but I will be showing you guys what's on the other side. Now I know I just threw a lot at you guys. That's a lot to digest for what's coming up on this channel in the near future. I just want to say thank you to all my supporters that have been reaching out in the meantime. I really truly appreciate it. You guys are dedicated to this channel, so I am going to be doing my best to keep providing you guys what you want to see. And out of everything that I've listed, let me know in the comments below what you guys are most excited to see in the next coming months, because if you guys provide me that feedback, I'm gonna make sure those videos are extra killer just for you, because that's the stuff that you guys wanna see. So I'm gonna keep this video nice, short, and sweet, and I will see you guys next week once my next video drops, and we're gonna get on a weekly schedule, and I might even be trying to get 2 videos in weekly. We'll see how that goes. So until next time, I will be seeing you guys very soon. So Rob with RK Motorsports, signing out. Later, guys.